Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the resentment. If you're feeling or you are resentment with someone or with your job or your business or family or friends, what happens holding the resentment is holding a hot coals and thinking the other person will burn. So what happens holding the resentment? So this is what I'm going to talk about today. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking into Result, and my mentor is Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And everything to do with your own mind and the universal laws, they work together. So sometimes we think other people are making us upset, or the family or friends or colleagues or business, whatever. If you're feeling resentment, it's nothing to do with other people. It's the way we are thinking, the way we are feeling, the way we are thinking about whatever you're feeling the resentment, and that's what cause is. Is inside your mind. It's not outside. It's you are holding the resentment. If you're upset with someone or you don't like something, it's to do with yourself, because the way you're feeling about something or the way you are thinking about something, and you feel the resentment. And other person might even not even aware of that, and you're feeling resentment or upset. So to change that, we have to change how we feel, because how we feel, we're going to attract the same mood. So, as you know, this is the way the mind works. Whatever we are holding, and we are attracting the more of the same. So, to change that, we have to change. We have to let go of the resentment. Whatever the resentment you're feeling about, you have to let it go, because holding it, do you know what you're doing? You're blocking the good to come in. So it's sort of like you are on the way, standing between yourself, the good thing to come to you, and you are standing middle of that. So you're blocking the way of to come good to you. So holding the resentment is like holding the blockage in your mind, like the way you think, the way you feel, and according to that, you're going to take the action. So everything you're attracting according to how you feel. So the resentment is the feeling and how you think about it. So intellectually, how you think about it, and emotionally, how you feel about it, you're holding that resentment, you're holding those thoughts, you're holding that energy. So whatever the energy we are holding as emotionally, and that is the blockage. And until you let it go, and then definitely you're going to release that energy, and then you're going to replace that energy to something as something you want. You have to replace that energy what you want. So you have to replace with something. To let go something, you have to replace something. That means the resentment is like not good feeling. So how can you feel good opposite of resentment? Resentment, you have to let it go. You have to forgive the person. You have to forgive yourself. It's a both way. You have to forgive the other person, and and then you have to forgive yourself to let it go. Let go the energy. So let it go means, because we are energy being. If you're holding the resentment, we're holding that energy. We are feeling that energy. So according to that, we're going to attract the same more. So it's nothing to do with the other person. It's to do with yourself. Whatever you're holding, the energy, the resentment, you're going to attract the same more. So to not to have the same energy again, you have to let go that first, then you have to replace it with something. So opposite let go means the resentment, opposite the resentment is, and start to feel just let it go, just forgive, and um, and then just let it go and let the other person release yourself. Whatever you are holding that resentment to other person, you have to let go. That's it. You have to let it go. Let go the other person, and you release yourself. So this is the only way to do to any resentment you're feeling. You have to forget about it and you have to let it go. And then you have to replace with the resentment with something good feeling. So good feeling, your thoughts, good emotions, how you want to feel about whatever you're trying to feel. And then definitely you're going to replace that what you want. And you don't want to attract the same thing, something you don't want. So you have to let it go. It's nothing to do with the other person. Other person is just a mirror of ourselves, how we feel about something or someone or some about a family or friends. So it's just a reminder of the growth we have to do. So this is the reason any obstacle comes for the growth. So the growth we are on that path. So we have to keep growing for that person. We have to grow out of these things like resentment, get angry or upset, whatever. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. Holding the resentment just like holding the hot coals and thinking about other person will burn, or drinking the poison yourself as holding the resentment and then thinking the other person will die. No, it's not going to happen that. Whatever you're holding is you're holding that poison or the hot coals is you're going to burn it yourself and you're dying from inside. So you have to let it go. Something not serving you, you have to let it go and replace with opposite, polar opposite according to the laws, something good. You have to replace it with that. You have to let go something, you have to replace something with something good. So how you want to feel about yourself as a good, you have to do it with that and you have to start practicing that every single day. So holding the resentment is not good. Not good for your goals. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your mind. So as you know, we are working with the mind and the universal laws, and they work together. So we have to let it go something to replace with something as something good. Hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's helping me a lot because I don't want to feel resentment toward anyone. So I'm just working on my mindset and how I feel, how I want to feel, and how I want to think. So I am in control of that. So other persons, you don't let other person control you. So you have to control yourself. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really helping me. And if you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up and ask question. You have to ask question if you want to further help. And thank you for letting me share the information with you. All I'm doing this information sharing with you is coming direct from our mentor Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And all I'm doing is facilitating this lesson and work for this information all around the world more than 60 years because it works, because it's still working and people are still using it, people have used it and they're still using it because it works. It's working for me and it can work for you also, but if you apply it and then only this is the way to gonna work. Okay, so it's to do with yourself, it's nothing to do with others. Thank you for letting me share the information with you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.